What's going on, guys? It's Danny from Slow Restoration, and we've actually been really busy in the shop today. Didn't get a whole lot done to project LSXTREME, but did get some vehicles in and out. We did a Chevy truck in this morning, had a Chevy truck in this morning for shocks. We had a Cadillac in, we did some repairs too, and now we have the Jeep here in for a water pump and thermostat. and Yeah, we've been kind of running all around today doing a bunch of different stuff. So now we're going to jump on the Project LSXTREME and get a couple things knocked out. And first things first is a big color reveal. I know some guys have been waiting for some colors here, and well, we're ready to do it. So here we go. There you go. Sway bar color. Probably not exactly what you were waiting for, but yeah, it's a color and we're revealing it. So we'll get these thrown on there quick. They'll match, they do match the powder coated front calipers we have. So they'll tie in with that. We'll get these on there, and I promise guys, the body color reveal is coming really soon. So please stay tuned and let's get these sway bars thrown on. We have all of our parts laid out here. We're working on the ground. Just unfortunately the lift's tied up. We just had to get some stuff in. But anyway, the end links here are pretty easy. You have a washer and a bushing at the bottom. This goes up through the hole in the lower A-arm. You get another washer and bushing that goes down, sandwiches it. You get a sleeve on top of that which spaces it. And then you get a washer and bushing on top of that. You have your sway bar in the middle there, and then a bushing on top of the sway bar, and then a nut to draw it all together. And then of course the frame mounts have bushings, and then you have the brackets that bolt the sway bar to the frame. So let's get that thrown up on there, see how it looks. There's one front sway bar installed. I think it looks pretty good, matches those calipers pretty nice. You can see in there. Adds a little color to it. Now let's tackle the back. The back one's fairly simple too. You have these end links that go up to the frame. We still have those loose. It's hard to get the shock bolts in with those brackets in the way. So for right now, they're just kind of loosely mounted. You put the end link bolts in, and we have to rotate those clamps there around and attach the bar to the axle housing itself on both sides, and that's about it. And there's the rear sway bar installed. Looks good. Definitely adds some color. Everything's charcoal gray and that stainless color, and we got a nice pop of red to highlight that, make them stand out a little bit. All right guys, I know it was a little bit of a dirty trick with the color reveal, but I couldn't help it. But trust me, it's gonna be, everyone's really gonna appreciate this color. I don't think anyone's gonna disagree with the color choice for this truck. It's definitely an interesting color. We'll just leave it at that. And it's gonna be very soon, maybe even sooner than you think. We're actually gonna reveal this color. But anyway, that's probably about all the time we have tonight to work on this. I think that definitely improved the looks of this chassis. Got it one step closer. So we didn't get a whole lot done today, but we got something done, and that's always important with a project like this. If you get one thing accomplished when you don't have much time, that's one step closer, and that's a lot more than a lot of people do. You know, if you skip one day working on it, there's a good chance you might skip 2, 3, and before you know it, you know, it's pushed back in the corner and you're just not getting it done. So we have something very exciting planned tomorrow. Hopefully it all comes together. I think it will, and we'll have to see, but it should be a very good video tomorrow night. So anyway, if you like it, please subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good day.